Soldiers. Soldiers. Soldiers.
This is the start of a street revolution, the deadly art of underground music. If you got the heart and you're set to execute it, then be a part of the symphony's movement.
You don't wanna rumble with me, you dancing with death. Receive a kiss on your cheek, bon appetit before your last breath. I'm higher power when drug showers, you hit your last hour. We're here to rumble, you cowards, pronounce my name is sour. My daily art will mentally scar and put holes through your heart. You bitches like pussy, you all winning soft. About to be some dead dicks for acting hectic. We lick the shot, you caught it, my reflex is robotic. We bring it live on stage to snatch your soul out your frame. With your flame, you'll never be the same, motherfucker.
This is the start of a street revolution, the deadly art of underground music. If you got the heart and you're set to execute it, then be a part of the symphony. This is the start of a street revolution, the deadly art of underground music. If you got the heart and you're set to execute it, then be a part of the symphony.
Get ready for the incision, steady like a sniper's vision. Hit the heart of the cross where skin splits and slugs get lost in the head. Infrared dots don't bounce, bullets hail. Detail the accounts of street killers. Attack the beef like salmonella. It's too raw, erase everything you saw, or we give you silence. An orgy of violence, defiant, phonetic leftist, microbiochemist. Set this inferno to your percussion. Internal combustion when you're fucking with destruction.
This is the start of a street revolution, the deadly art of underground music. If you got the heart and you're set to execute it, then be a part of the symphony. This is the start of a street revolution, the deadly art of underground music. If you got the heart and you're set to execute it, then be a part of the symphony's movement.
The tune is presenting to have you cemented in what we're bringing. The words that have saying singing. Psychological hall, obstacle with no flaw. Mirror to the wall, witness the blood and gore. The system betrayed us instead of saving us. They let the pain change us, made it flagrant. Addicted to the agent that was stuck snorting. Go fucking berserk and start shanking organs. 6 soldiers of fortune, recording his distortion. When I spit, I blindside clip speakers. Chase the dragon, check the Chiba. Number 1 smoke, stop hunger, choke your fucking throat.
My malicious military is always ready with communism, terrorism. The sound of a thought guard murdered through Pro Tools. Only the chosen few make it through. The defense unit ready for battle against the greatest with the latest of guns. Cover the sun with that night street light that makes these things at night. The hollow tips rip through your eyes, leather and ribs. These ghetto kids are the ones that live in. Fucking with them, you'll be your Holy Spirit.
Well-regulated militia.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
What kind of fucking brother are you? Wanted to hang out with you. You're like, get the fuck out of here.
Started getting pissed off that
Yo, what you crazy? Since a buck-tooth baby, Doc was like straight, fuck you, pay me like Jay-Z. Lazy niggas complain. Doc load up the cartridge and start kicking game like a claim. Those you call dogs and that's your name. Those who say they love you and top you change. That's why I fold down 4 fingers. Say fuck the wall and Jimmy the earth out with coat hangers. That game is street game, don't sleep. It's a cold world, better pack your own heat. Niggas ain't happy till they cash on E. Then the hash and the cab and the bags on me. Yeah, right, my bear hugs airtight. New Yorkers know no turning on the red light. Me against 40 of you, a fair fight. Microphones get took and shook, where right?
Let the cowman and funk doctor.
You don't got no wins in me, Casa.
Ball dropper, blow you out your mind. Who shot ya?
You don't got no wins in me, Casa.
Hip hoppers, turn it up a notch, make it hot.
You don't got no wins in me, Casa.
Born in your partner, let the cowman and funk doctor.
Yeah, every time I turn around, somebody in my business. Time for you to testify, can I get a witness? Acting like bitches, dirty dick niggas look suspicious. Ain't physically fit for the fitness. Welcome to the game of death, Polly want a biscuit. First prize a one-way ticket to my shit list. And I spread it like a rumor or a sickness. Stand by, let a chicken head lay a chicklet. Can I slap a fat ass with the quickness? Stupid ass niggas going raw and get the syphilis. Coming through, son, motherfuck you in your district. Misrepresenting, misinterpreting, and misfit. Playboy, you ain't got no ball, pussy dickless. And I'm like the plumber laying pipe up in your missus. No man can hold me, no one can control me. Next time you see me, holla like you know
don't
me.
got no wins in me, Casa.
Show me Showstopper, met the cowman and funk doctor.
You don't got no wins in me, casa.
Bomb dropper, blow you out your mind, who shot ya?
You don't got no wins in me, casa.
Hip hoppers, turn it up a notch, make it hot.
You don't got no wins in me, casa.
I'm born in you partner, met the cowman and funk doctor.
You don't got no wins in me, casa.
Showstopper,
You don't got no wins in me, casa.
bomb dropper.
You can't afford that. You can't afford that.
Freedom of jail, clips inserted. A baby's being born, same time a man is murdered. The beginning and end. As far as rap goes, it's only natural. I explain my plateau and also what defines my name. First it was nasty, but times have changed. Ask me now, I'm the artist, but hardcore, my signs for pain. I spent time in the game, kept my mind on fame. Saw fiends shoot up and do lines of cocaine. Saw my close friends shot, flatlining my sane. That depends, carry Mac 10s to practice my aim. On rooftops, tape CD covers the trees. Line a barrel up with your weak picture and squeeze. Street scriptures for lost souls in the crossroads. To the corner thugs hustling for cars that cost dough. To the big dogs living large, taking it light. Pushing big toys, getting nice, join your life is what you make it. Suicide, few tried to take it. Belt tied around their neck in jail cells naked. Heaven and hell, rap legend, presence is felt. And of course, NAS are the letters that spell.
Nazis like life or death. My rap, my poetry's deep. I never felt. Nazis like half man, half amazing. No doubt. Nazis like life or death. My rap, my poetry's deep. I never felt. Nazis like half man, half amazing. No doubt. Nazis like
Earth, wind, and fire, rims and tires, bulletproof glass inside is the realest driver. Planets in orbit, line them up with the stars. Tarot cards, you can see the Pharaoh Nas.
Nazis like
Iron Mike, Messiah type. Before the Christ, after the death, the last one left. Let my cash invest in stock. Came a long way from blasting. Text on blocks, went from Seiko to Rolex. Owning acres from the projects with no chips to large cake though. Dimes giving fellatio, see at day zeros. Bet my nine spit for the pesos, but what's it all worth? Can't take you with you under this earth. Rich men died and tried, but none of it worked. They just rob your grave. I'd rather be alive and paid before my numbers call. History's made. Some will fall, but I rise, thug or die. Making choices that determine my future under the sky. To rob, steal, or kill, I'm wondering why. It's a dirty game. Is any man worthy of fame? Much success to you, even if you wish me the opposite. Sooner or later, we'll all see who the prophet is.
Nazis like life or death. My rap, my poetry's deep. I never felt. Nazis like half man, half amazing. No doubt. Nazis like life or death. My rap, my poetry's deep. I never felt. Nazis like half man, half amazing. No doubt. Nazis like
Sex to a nympho, but nothing sweet. I'm like beef busting heat through your windows. I'm like a street sweeper, green leaf breather. Like Greeks in Egypt, learning something deep from their teachers. I'm like crime, like you're 9. Your man you would die for, always got you. I'm like Pop Duke, you would cry for. I'm like a whole lot of loot. I'm like Chris Money, corporate accounts from a rich company. I'm like ecstasy for ladies. I'm like all races combined in one man. Like the 99 Summer Jam, bulletproof, I'm a man. I'm like being locked down around new faces, and none of them fan. I'm the feeling of a millionaire spending 100 grand. I'm a poor man's dream, a thug poet. Live it and I write it down, and I watch it blow up. Y'all know what I'm like. Y'all play it in your system every night now.
Nazis like